YouTube, or everyone on YouTube. I just wanted to give a quick update on what is going on in the garden. I planted a few seeds for the fall here, and a few go over here, and I have some more to start. And those are two Pinocchio mini dwarf tomato plants. And this is the overall view of the back. And then I'm gonna go in closer. Okay, this trellis I'm actually gonna move. I have three blueberry plants in front of it, but I kind of want everything away from the house so I could see, especially when the snakes are moving around. So everything in here is coming out. This trellis is coming out. These two beds are coming out, and the pots are going to be moved. Here we have, this is called a Trinidadian pimento pepper, blueberry. And here I have something like society garlic, but this is not society garlic. There's actually another name for this. I don't remember what the name is, but I use this in my soups and stir fries and foods. This is a moringa in a pot. I had to transplant it for the longest. I still didn't transplant it. Some thyme, some lemon balm, some pineapples. It just occurred to me, maybe I need to condense this video, but I'll see how it progresses. And this is my greenhouse. Of course, the cover is off. It's summer, so I planted out the mangoes that I had in pots, two of them. That's the carry, that's the Nam Dot Mai, another Nam Dot Mai in the pot. My Barbados cherries, I put in these two raised beds. They were in the ground, so right now they don't look the best. My avocado, my day avocado, a pineapple plant, another pineapple, I think that's a cucumber, and for some reason pickery mango. So over there I have a red lady papaya, some more pineapple, some honeydew melon, a guava that I actually have to put in one of these beds, as when my son used a weed whacker, he's not familiar with the plants and he just run over them. Here's one of my pomegranate trees. I have two pineapples there, which I may move down, and two more pineapples here. Another pomegranate tree, and so far it's only holding on to this one fruit. The others drop. Pineapple, guys, don't throw your pineapple tops away. I don't know how they're gonna do, but every time I get them, I stick them in an empty pot. I stick them in the soil. If it comes down to it, I'll just try to cover it somehow with a hoop. Okay, over here, this is my cantaloupe patch. I have bananas, different variety of bananas, mulberry trees. The three of these are the same. I think they're supposed to be dwarf. Then I have pineapple guava, two of them. It's my cherry tree and my loquats. Then over here I have another banana in the distance. I have to cut the grass, and another mulberry. I think today I'll just focus on the front garden. Otherwise the video is gonna run long. And over here I have a zucchini squash plant that I bought, but there was some kind of bug on it, so I'm hoping it recovers. This is my calamandan that I put in a bigger pot. It was in this pot and lost all the leaves during the summer, so I put it in this pot I have to add some more soil, and then I'll see how it does. Some ginger, blueberry, turmeric, sweet potato, and another moringa. Over at the side of the house, I planted 2 citrus trees. I have a cactus, citrus. I think that's key lime. Yeah, that's the key lime. And I think this is the pomelo. Here's the cactus, and this is another avocado. I picked that up from Lowe's. Okay, here I have Texas Star Hibiscus. So I'm back at the front on the other side of the trellis. This is Roselle. This, I'm going to remove all of this and just leave the Roselle and the 2 pomegranates. I'm going to move out these things here. I did harvest some melons, but after I get a chance, I'm going to just remove. I'm just going to remove some of this stuff. I'm going to move out this Texas Star Hibiscus. There are 2 of them. I'm just going to leave the Roselle. So it'd be the Roselle and the 2 pomegranates. Okay, over, this is going to come out also. Over here, Texas Star Hibiscus. Back to the greenhouse. A bed with some more pineapple. As I said, I stopped throwing away my tops. And I also have some taro, more pineapple, some jalapeno pepper. That was store-bought, lemongrass, I planted from seed, another pineapple top, banana, some mixed match, some turmeric and different things in there. I bought this on clearance. This was about $4 on clearance. It's bougainvillea, strawberry, some herbs in this bed along with a pepper plant and the lemongrass, some more taro. That was actually in the compost. So when I moved the soil, they were coming up everywhere. Here's my society garlic. 2 more Trinidadian peppers, another okra plant. This one, for some reason, I guess because it's in the shade under this massive oak, is smaller than this one over here. These 2 over here, which are huge okras. And then in this okra bed, I have society garlic again, some herbs, some oregano, a random mango that probably was in the compost. I have some cherry tomatoes that bed needs fixing. Basil, I kind of cleaned out these beds here. The eggplant that didn't do anything too much this year, but I moved it here to see if it'll bear. Some peppers, 4 empty beds, and they're empty because I moved them from the back garden, way back there. I moved them from there. I just decided I want all of the food in one area. This is another cattle panel with blueberry bushes on the side. This is actually a goji berry. This is supposed to be a red Marconi pepper. And this is supposed to be honeydew melon. There's another bed back on the other side. Then here we have banana peppers, echinacea. I have the asparagus beans running here. Something was attacking them. I don't know if this is loofah. I planted it and I haven't seen anything, so I don't know if this is loofah. Okay, I had a callaloo bed, but I pretty much took that out. Okay, also over here, more pineapple, some more pineapple. I also put geranium and potatoes, sweet potatoes, another citrus plant, lemongrass. Oh, more citrus. I bought this last year. I'm so proud of this plant. It has lemons and it's putting on more fruit buds. Another citrus. I have 2 more there, some more here, some more over there. This is baby, what's it? The smaller watermelon. Callaloo going to seed, or amaranth. Another citrus. I don't know what's going on with the leaves on this one. Last year I had fruit, I believe, but this year I don't know what's going on. My berry bushes, more pineapple tops, more watermelon, blueberry, cantaloupe. I just threw the seeds in the bucket. This is my Miwa kumquat tree. But bananas. Then I have fig, banana, fig. And I'm actually gonna move all this stuff and just put it along the back fence. Another banana, another fig, banana, citrus, another citrus, another citrus. This is my bitter melon, herbs, blackberry, and what else? I have my trees, my fruit trees, some of them here and some of them back there. But this back area, I'm going to pretty much just take out the rows and put everything in line with the fence. And this is grass. I never saw grass grow so fast. It's like every week is like almost 3 feet tall.